Morning, Gooders. Today I thought I'd have a little chat to you about something that happened on the weekend and something that's going to change my direction in the way I'm going to be working for the next 3 months. If that is of interest to you, stick around. So I had my young 2-year-old granddaughter over on the weekend, and we were just watching some kids' YouTube videos, and I showed her my scared robot video, little animation I'd created in the hope that I was eventually going to do a series on that. Now I had showed her this little animation probably 6 to 8 months ago, and she showed no interest, and I sort of, in that respect, when she wasn't interested in it, I thought, well, what's the point? If it's not appealing to kids, why would I do it? So as it is intended for children. So, but after she watched it on the weekend, she's now 2, and she really enjoyed it. And this is the video I'm talking about. I'm sure I've shown you this before. And she enjoyed it to the point where she watched it 4 times in a row. She kept saying again, the same episode she watched over and over. So after watching her watch my little animation and my little character, and seeing her reaction and seeing that she wanted to see more of it, that was the catalyst, if you like, for me to then say, okay, now it's worth pushing forward and doing more episodes. Because if I'm doing it for her, then fantastic. That's something I would love to do. What I'm going to do is, for the next 3 months, just focus wholly and solely on my Scared Robot series and try and get as many episodes as I can done in that time. And so I actually started work on the weekend. There was this little cat character here, which will be introduced in the next episode. Needed rigging and finishing off, so I did some work on that, and it's just a simple rig, but it just gives me the control that I need to control this character. I put some IK controls on the legs and the feet, and the heads ready to be animated. And I've also added some control using shape keys to the eyes so that I can add a blink, so I can have the character blink, or the eyes blink. I can show disinterest on the eyes, and just to simulate a bit of a smile on the cat as well. And I will add more controls to this cat as I go along, but there's enough there for me to animate now, so I can now finish the second part of the first episode. So it's a bit of a spoiler, if you like, but anyway, this will just be between you and me. Now the next step now is to animate the episode with this character. What I'm thinking of doing is, what I will do is build a library of animations like walk cycles, run cycles for the characters that are in this little series, so that as I'm thinking of stories, I've got I have a lot of story ideas, and the part that's going to slow me up is the animating the characters. But if I can build a library of walks, runs, reactions, and just drop them in as I need them as I'm animating, that'll save a lot of time, and I should be able to push through a lot more episodes more quickly. So back to what the purpose of this whole video is. I was thinking, do I just knuckle down, put my head down, and just focus wholly solely on this and not make any videos other than what I'm creating for this series? Or do I still keep doing these daily little vlogs, if you like, and just updating you as I'm going along as to where I'm at? And I'm thinking I'll do that. Initially, I will just do these little vlog, try and do one a day as I am now, and just show you where I'm at in the process of animating this little series and how it's going. So that brings me to my Patreon supporters. If this is not what you signed up for, I fully understand, and if you want to drop your Patreon support, no problems at all. I have no problems with that whatsoever. So I fully understand. Like, if you're supporting me for my 3D printing endeavors, and this is not what you really had in mind, totally understand. That's totally cool. I'll leave that completely up to you. Having said that, if this is something that you're into and you want to support me to help me get this series out, then yeah, certainly I will most definitely welcome your support. So I do want to say a big thank you to the Patreon subscribers I have right now and the support you're giving me. I do really appreciate it. But if you decide that you need to, move on to other things, fully understand, and no hard feelings. It's all good. Now, with my free files, I will keep updating those. They won't be as frequent. I still have the Falcon Heavy rocket to finish, which I am still working on. So once I've got that to a point where I'm comfortable that can be 3D printed without issues, then that'll go onto my free file site. So keep an eye on that site as well for any updates. All right, well, I think that's it for this video. Thanks for your understanding. This is something that I've decided I need to focus on for the next 3 months and try and get a library of these little animations together, primarily for my granddaughter to watch. My videos don't get a lot of views on YouTube, so I'm not expecting big things, but if she gets a kick out of it, that's all I need. So that'll make me super happy. So thanks again for watching. I will give you an update again tomorrow, fingers crossed, and we'll go from there. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. Bye for now.